Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths with Panindra. In this episode, we are going to discuss the examples from Properties of Triangles Mathematics 1A before exercise 10A. All the examples we are going to discuss now. Let us have a discussion. The first question, in triangle ABC, if A equal to 3, B equal to 4 and sin A equal to 3 by 4, find angle B. See here, small a, small b are sides of the triangle. Angle, sine angle A is given, sin A equal to 3 by 4. Then find angle B. So here, by using sine rule, so first given data you have to write, given that small a equal to 3 and b equal to 4 and sin a is equal to 3 by 4. So by using sine rule or from sine rule, here sine rule, according to the data you write only small a by sin a, which is equal to small b by sin b, which is equal to small c by sin c, but according to the data only we required AB related concept. So that implies that small a value substitute divided by sin a value is 3 by 4, which is equal to small b value is 4 divided by sin b. So here 3 get cancelled, denominator of a denominator it will become a numerator. That implies that 4 equal to 4 by sin b, cross multiplying 4 sin b equal to 4, both sides 4 get cancelled, sin b equal to 1. Sin b, when it will be equal to 1? Sin 90 degrees equal to 1. So sin 90 equal to sin b. So by comparing, b is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore the angle b is, by comparing you will get the angle b is 90. They are asking find angle b only, no. So we got b angle is 90 degrees. The next question, if the lengths of the sides of a triangle are 3, 4, 5, find the circumradius of the circle of the circumradius of the triangle. Circumradius. So observe that given lengths of the sides of the triangle 3, 4, 5. By observing these three forms Pythagorean triples. That means the sum of the squares of any two, it forms the square of another one. Then they are called Pythagorean triples. See here, given the sides of the triangle, given that sides of a triangle a equal to 3, I am taking different values, b equal to 4 and c is equal to 5. Squaring on both sides, a square equal to 9, squaring on both sides, b square equal to 16 and squaring on both sides, c square equal to 25. By observing these information, 9 plus 16 equal to 25, no? Therefore, by observing from this, a square plus b square is equal to c square. That implies that it forms a right angle. It forms, therefore, that implies that triangle is a right angled triangle, is right angled. We decided that it is right angled. So after that what we have to do? Whenever the triangle is right angle, see rub diagram here. Here right angle at C here. So this is A, small a, small b, which is equal to c. So this is BC here. So this BC will be here, and this is small b. We can take anything A. Here capital A, you can take capital A, B, C. So now circumradius means we need to get a circumcircle. Na? We know that whenever it is right angle triangle, we have circumradius is equal to hypotenuse divided by 2. This is very important. Whenever it forms right angle, the circumradius is equal to half of the hypotenuse. That is circumradius capital R equal to hypotenuse. What is hypotenuse here? AB. AB means AB by 2, which is equal to AB is what here? C. C is equal to C by 2. C is equal to 5. So 5 by 2. So here we have to remember that whenever the triangle forms a right angle triangle, circumradius is equal to half of the hypotenuse. See here, alternate method also we are going to discuss now. Whenever we got a C is right angle, here after getting A square plus B square plus C square, here C is right angle at C now clearly. C is equal to 90 degrees. So whenever C is 90 degrees, by using sine rule, we have C is equal to 2r sine C. So capital C, we decided that from this A square plus B square plus A equal to C square, since C is equal to angle C is 90 degrees, therefore C value is equal to 5 na? Given it is C is equal to 5. So 5 equal to 2r into sine 90. Sine 90 value is 1. So 5 is equal to 2r. So from that capital R equal to 5 by 2. Capital R means what? Circumradius. Even in this way also we can calculate by using sine rule. So here direct question. If A equal to 6, B equal to 5 and C is equal to 9, then find angle A. So directly we can apply, whenever you know ABC, directly you can apply cosine formula. By cosine rule, cos A equal to B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. B square, that means B value is 5 square, plus C square 9 square, that means 81, minus A square is 6 square 36, divided by 2 into BC 5 into 9, which is equal to 81 plus 25 sorry 106 minus 36, which is equal to 70, divided by 9 5 is a 45, 45 into 2 90, so 90, 0 0 get cancelled, 7 by 9. Therefore cos A equal to 7 by 9. That implies that A equal to cos, we can take this side, cos inverse will come, cos inverse of 7 by 9. Hence the angle A equal to cos inverse of 7 by 9. The next question. In triangle ABC, show that sigma or summation B plus C into cos A equal to 2S. So first we have to expand, consider LHS sigma B plus C into cos A if we remove that sigma and cyclic process if you write, so b plus c into cos A plus in cyclic order c plus A into cos B plus A plus B into cos C. After that, actual multiplication B into cos A plus C into cos A plus C into cos B plus A into cos B plus A into cos C plus B into cos C. After that, here B cos A and A cos B. Here it is small m, this sorry. From these two, here these two. After that, these two. After that, these two. So formula form we are going to get B cos A plus A cos B plus C cos A plus A cos C plus C cos B plus B cos C. This value equal to small c plus this value is small b, this value is small a. A plus b plus c is equal to 2s, no? Why? Because 2s equal to perimeter of the triangle. In properties of triangle, this is equal to 2s. It is RHS, hence proved. The next question here. If the sides of a triangle are 13, 14, 15, then find the circumdiameter. Circumdiameter means twice of the radius we can calculate. So first, the sides of the triangle A equal to 13, B equal to 14 and C equal to 15. After knowing the values of ABC, you can calculate 2S equal to A plus B plus C only, no? So which is equal to 13 plus 14 plus 15, 27 plus 15, that is 42. That implies that 2s is equal to 42, s is equal to 21. S value we got it. After that, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c calculate. S minus a, 21 minus 13, 8. So therefore, s minus a is equal to 8. S minus b equal to 21 minus 14, which is equal to 7. S minus b equal to 7. S minus c equal to 21 minus 15, which is equal to 6. S minus c is equal to 6. Now, we have formula to calculate delta. Why calculating delta? Delta equal to ABC by 4 our formula is there, no? So from that R value you can calculate. To calculate that one, I am calculating delta. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, which is equal to square root of 21 into 8 into 7 into 6, which is equal to square root of 3 into 7. This can be written as 8. 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 16. 16 we can take outside, it will become as 4. 7 into 7, 49, we can take outside of the root, it will become as 7. 3 into 3, 9, we can take outside of the root, 3. So it will become 84. So 21 into 4, 84. Therefore, we got delta is equal to 84. Delta value we know that. ABC values also we know that. So we have formula delta equal to ABC by 4R. But circumdiameter means only 2R, no? So now what I am doing is, 4r equal to ABC by delta. From that 2r equal to ABC by 2 delta. So A value is 13 into 14 into 15 divided by 2 into delta. Delta value is 84. 14 ones are 14 six are. After that 3 twos are 2 fives are. Sorry, 3 twos are 3 15s. So which is equal to 2r equal to 65. 13 5 is 65. 2 into 2 is 4. Therefore circumradius is equal to 65 by 4. Therefore conclusion step, circumdiameter is 2r equal to 65 by 4. The next question. In triangle ABC, if A plus B plus C into B plus C minus A equal to 3BC, then find A. We know the relation between A plus B plus C. No? We have A plus B plus C is equal to 2A, 2S. So now first consider given A plus B plus C, B plus C minus A equal to 3BC. This is the given information. We know that A plus B plus C is equal to 2S. So we have, in place of A plus B plus C, you have to write 2S. After that, here B plus C minus A is there, no? Here what I am doing is adding plus A and subtracting A. So this relation will become, the second bracket value will becomes A plus B plus C, here adding A and subtracting A. One more A, which is equal to 3BC. Again, in place of A plus B plus C, we have to write as 2S. So 2S into 2S minus 2A minus A minus A, which is equal to 3BC. After that, here 2S into, from here also 2 take common and write the rest of the term, S minus A equal to 3BC. So 2 into 2 4, we can take this side, and BC we can take this side. So S into S minus A is equal to, here 4 is there, 2 2s are 4, 3BC. BC I am taking into the left side of the denominator, and 4 I am taking to the right side to the denominator. So we will get it as S into S minus A divided by BC, which is equal to 3 by 4. Since we have formula, since we know that cos A by 2 equal to, in the previous sessions we discussed that square root of S into S minus A divided by BC. Is it right? This is the formula for cos A by 2. But here S into S minus A by BC is there, no? That value is indirectly square, the squaring of cos A by 2 only, no? That means square of cos A by 2. So here squaring on both sides for the formula, we will get cos square A by 2 is equal to S into S minus A divided by BC. So now in place of S into S minus A by BC, we have to write cos square A by 2. Therefore, we will get it as cos square A by 2 is equal to 3 by 4. But I want A value, no? So cos square A by 2 equal A by 2 equal to 3 by 4. So cos A by 2 equal to square root of 3 by 4, which is equal to root 3 divided by 2. So cos A by 2 equal to root 3 by 2 in terms of cos. So cos 30. We can write it as cos 30. 30 means pi by 6. So comparing the angles, we will get A by 2 is equal to pi by 6. 2 1s are 2 3s are. That is equal to pi by 3. Pi by 3 means was 60. Therefore, A equal to 60 degree. Pi by 3 or 60 degrees. Yeah, next question. If A equal to 4, B equal to 5, C equal to 7, then find cos B by 2. Direct question. If you know the formula, you are able to attempt the question. Cos B by 2. So now, given A equal to 4, B equal to 5 and C equal to 7. Whenever you know ABC values, then we have 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. Now substitute the respective values. 4 plus 5 plus 7, which is equal to 2S equal to 9 plus 7 is 16. That implies that S is equal to 8. After that, after getting the value of S, what is the formula for cos B by 2? Here just now I wrote no cos A by 2 formula. Cos A by 2 means root of S into S minus A by BC. Whenever cos B by 2, S into S minus B divided by AC. So we have formula cos B by 2 equal to square root of S into S minus B divided by AC. Now substitute that value. Square root of 8 into 8 minus B value is 5 divided by AC. A value is 4 into C value is 7, which is equal to square root of 8 into 3 divided by 4 into 7. Now what we have to do? Sorry. 4 ones are 4 twos are, which is equal to square root of 3 twos are 6 divided by 7. Therefore, conclusion step. Cos B by 2 equal to root 6 by 7. The next question. In triangle ABC, find B cos square C by 2 plus C cos square B by 2 equal to. We have to calculate the value of B cos square C by 2 plus C cos square B by 2. So first consider B cos square C by 2 plus C cos square B by 2. We have to consider, which is equal to small b into the value of cos C by 2. You have to write a formula. Cos C by 2 means root of S into S minus C divided by AB whole square plus C into bracket start cos square B by 2 square root of S into S minus B divided by AC whole square. In the next step, B into square root will be cancelled. S into S minus C divided by AB. Here B get cancelled. Plus C into and root and square will be cancelled. We will get S into S minus B divided by AC. Here C get cancelled. The rest of the terms, here A is there, here also A is there. In numerator S is there, in numerator S is there. So S divided by A, take common from both the terms, and rest of the terms you have to write it S minus C plus S minus B. S by A into S plus S is 2S minus C minus B. We know that 2S is equal to A plus B plus C, no? So S by A into A plus B plus C minus C minus B. So plus B minus B get cancelled, plus C minus C get cancelled, which is equal to S by A into A. Here A get cancelled, which is equal to S. Therefore, the value of B cos square C by 2 plus C into cos square B by 2 equal to S. The next question. If tan C minus A by 2 equal to K into cot B by 2, then find K. So first given tan C minus A divided by 2 equal to k into cot b by 2. This given value you have to compare with tangent rule. One of the tangents rule is we have tan c minus a by 2 equal to small c minus small a divided by small c plus small a into cot t by b by 2 by using tangent rule. Since by tangent rule or tangent law. So by comparing we get k is equal to c minus a divided by c plus a. In examination, how they will ask the question is like this. They will ask, first you have to write given. After that, for writing formula, tangent rule, 1 mark. After that, comparing and writing, getting the value of k, 1 mark. This is the way they are asking. We'll move to the next question. The next question, if tan a by 2 equal to 5 by 6 and tan c by 2 equal to 2 by 5, determine the relation between a, b, c. So first, given information you have to write. Given that tan a by 2 equal to 5 by 6 and tan c by 2 equal to 2 by 5. After that, write the formulas for tan a by 2 and tan c by 2. See, first what I am going to do is write the formula for tan a by 2 and tan c by 2. After that, you can multiply these two, tan a by 2 into tan c by 2. Why? Because here 5 is there, here also 5 is there, no, in denominator. If you cancel these two values, then, so first consider tan a by 2 into tan c by 2 equal to the values of tan a by 2 and tan c by 2 is 5 by 6 into 2 by 5. 5 get cancelled, 2 ones are, 2 3s are. So 1 by 3. Now write formulas for tan a by 2, tan c by 2. Tan a by 2 is formula square root of s minus b into s minus c divided by s into s minus a. Similarly, the formula for tan c by 2 is s minus a into s minus b divided by s into s minus c, which is equal to 1 by 3. So it is in the form of root a into root b, no, root ab. So square root of s minus b into s minus b, so s minus b whole square into s minus c into s minus a. After that, denominators, s into s is s square, s minus a into s minus c, which is equal to 1 by 3. So after that, s minus c, you can cancel it. S minus a, you can cancel it. The rest of the terms you can write like this. Square root of s minus b whole square by s square, no? Can we write like this? Square root of s minus b by s whole square is equal to 1 by 3. Now, square root and square will be cancelled. We will get s minus b divided by s is equal to 1 by 3. Now, cross multiply. 3s minus 3b equal to s. Here s we are taking to LHS and minus 3b we can take into the RHS side. So now it will becomes 3s minus s equal to 3b. That also implies that 3s minus 2s, s is 2s, which is equal to 3b. What is the value of 2s? A plus b plus c only, no? A plus b plus c equal to 3b. So here b I am taking this side. We will get a plus c equal to 3b minus b, that also equal to a plus c equal to 2b. Sum of the extremity is equal to twice of the middle. Therefore, a comma b comma c are in arithmetic progression. They are asking to calculate the relation between a, b, c only, no? So, we can write like this also. A plus c equal to 2b can be written as b plus b. After that, here a we can take this side and c minus b, one of the b we are taking this side, and a we can take this side, b minus a. The common differences are equal, then a comma b comma c are in arithmetic progression. Or like this also, from this step only we can decide a comma b comma c are in AP or arithmetic progression. Even here also you can finish it. A plus c equal to 2b, then a comma b comma c are in arithmetic progression. We can stop here also. Otherwise, we can produce like this way also. Whichever the method is easy for you, you can proceed now. Thank you. We'll move to the next question. The next question. If cot a by 2 equal to b plus c by a, then find angle B. First you write the given information. Given that cot a by 2 equal to b plus c divided by a. After that, from one of the properties of triangles formulae, we have b plus c by a equal to cos of b minus c by 2 whole divided by sin a by 2. This is the formula we learned in the previous sessions. Now, in place of b plus c by a, you have to replace with this value. Therefore, cot a by 2 equal to, in place of b plus c by a, you have to replace with this value. Cos of b minus c by 2 divided by sin a by 2. In the next step, cot a by 2 can be written as cos a by 2 divided by sin a by 2, which is equal to cos of b minus c by 2 divided by sin a by 2. On both sides, both the denominators we have to get cancel it. Therefore, cos a by 2 equal to cos b minus c by 2. Comparing the both angles, a by 2 equal to b minus c by 2. 2 get cancelled, minus c we can take this side. A plus c equal to b. After that, we know that a plus b plus c is equal to 180 only, no? Except a plus c, b we can take this side. A plus c equal to 180 minus b. So, 180 minus b equal to b. That implies 180 degrees equal to 2b. b minus b. b plus b, it will become 2b. Therefore, b equal to 180 by 2, which is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, the angle B equal to, find the angle B they ask now. Therefore, angle B is equal to 90 degrees or pi by 2. The next question. Prove that small a into b cos c minus c cos b equal to b square minus c square. Now, consider LHS. Prove that means now you can consider LHS. Consider LHS. A into b cos c minus C cos B, which is also equal to actual multiplication A into B cos C minus AC into cos B. By using cosine rule of by using cosine rules, which is equal to AB into, write the formula for cos C. Cos C means what? A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2AB minus AC into cos B formula. A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2AC. So here AC get cancelled. Here AB get cancelled, which is equal to A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2 minus A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2. Take LCM. 2 is the LCM. A square plus B square minus C square, and each and every term of this bracket value multiplying by minus A square minus C square minus into minus plus B square. So here plus A square minus A square, B square plus B square is 2B square minus C square minus 2C square divided by 2. Take out common 2 take common from the numerator. 2 into B square minus C square divided by 2. Now 2 get cancelled, which is equal to B square minus C square, which is our required RHS. Hence the result. The next question. In triangle ABC, show that B square minus C square by A square equal to sine of B minus C divided by sine of B plus C. See here, from sine rule, we have A equal to 2r sine A, B equal to 2r sine B, and C equal to 2r sine C. These values we are going to substitute in LHS. Consider LHS. B square minus C square divided by A square. B square means 4r square sine square B minus 4r square sine square C divided by 4r square sine square A. So 4r square take common and cancel in numerator and denominator. Sine square B minus sine square C divided by 4r square sine square A. 4r square get cancelled. Sine square B minus sine square C can be written as sine of B plus C into sine of B minus C. Sine square A minus sine square B formula is there, no? Sine of A plus B into sine of A minus B. Similarly, sine square B minus sine square C equal to sine of B plus C into sine of B minus C divided by sine square A. So sine square A means sine A into sine A. Since generally here I have to write, but A plus B plus C is equal to 180, no? In triangle ABC. So I want A equal to pi minus of B plus C. So taking sine on both sides, sine A equal to sine of pi minus B plus C. Sine of pi minus theta sine theta. Therefore, sine of B plus C. Now onwards you remember that in triangle ABC, always Sin A is equal to sin of B plus C. So by using this value, see in one of the sorry, sin A you can write sin of B plus C, sin of B plus C into sin of B minus C divided by sin of B plus C into sin of B plus C. So one of the sin of B plus C will be cancelled, which is equal to sin of B minus C divided by sin of B plus C, which is required RHS only, no? Hence the result. The next question, dear students, show that C minus B cos A by B minus C cos A equal to cos B by cos C. See, first you have to consider LHS. C minus B cos A divided by B minus C cos A. Here we are going to apply the projection rule formulas. Here small c and small b, we have from projection rules, small c equal to small a into cos b plus small b into cos a. This is the value of small c. Similarly, small b equal to, here this value I am writing, equal to c cos a, small c cos a. Here b is there, means other than these two you have to write. B other than means a and c only, no? A and c relation. So small a into cos c. These values you have to replace in C and B. Therefore, in place of C, I am replacing with this value, A into cos B plus B into cos A minus B into cos A whole divided by, in place of B, I am replacing with this value, C cos A plus A cos C minus C cos A. After that, here B cos A, here minus B cos A. Both values is going to get cancelled. These two. Similarly, C cos A minus C cos A. These two values will be cancelled. So the rest of the terms, A into cos B divided by A into cos C. So here A get cancelled, which is equal to cos B divided by cos C, which is required RHS. Thank you, dear students, for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will respond. Thank you all. In the next session, before 10A exercise, part 2 examples we are going to discuss in the next video. Thank you all.